Yo, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be taking a look at a screen protector for the 14 Pro Max, and that is the Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit. So these screen protectors I've actually been using for about a year and a half now. My man Technically T over on his channel, he actually turned me on to these and I've never looked back. They're very inexpensive. I got this one on Amazon for about 15, 16 bucks yesterday. You get them on Amazon Prime, same day, next day shipping. I mean, you can't beat it. You do get a 2-pack out of this, so if you mess one up, you break one, whatever the case may be, you do get 2. So we'll take a look at the packaging. Screen protector on the front there, Glass TR Easy Fit. So this is going to be a full sensor screen protection. So it's going to go all the way up until the speaker up there. So it is going to cover the selfie camera, the notch, or the dynamic island. It does not interfere with any of that. I actually just had one on previous to this video. I pulled it off for you guys so I can show you the install here. On the back, just kind of goes over it. Easy installation, oleophobic coating, real glass, 9H. I mean, we don't need to really go into all that. So let me show you guys what you get in the packaging here. I'm gonna move the phone aside for a minute. Show you guys what you get in the packaging. Like I said, this is going to be a 2-pack. So you are going to get 2 plastic trays, 2 screen protectors, all your little squeegees and glass cleaner and stuff like that. Let's see if we get anything else in there. Nope, that's everything. All right, so obviously we do not need both of these. You're gonna get instructions on how to install it. We're not gonna need to do that. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna put the second screen protector off to the side as well. And then what you are going to get, this kind of shows their little chargers that they sell and stuff like that. So what you're gonna get is you are going to get the actual tray with the screen protector already on the other side there. This is made for the easy installation. And then you're gonna get the squeegee, just in case you have any bubbles. And then in this little envelope here, you're going to get your screen wipes, 2 of them obviously. You're gonna get your microfiber cloth, you're gonna get your dust stickers, and then you are going to get just a little QR code, show you how to remove bubbles and stuff like that. So we're not gonna need all those, and we are only going to need 1 of each of these today. So we'll put all the duplicates aside here, and I will show you guys how to get in this. So let's put this stuff aside. We're gonna grab the 14 Pro Max over here. So like I said, I did have a screen protector on this previous to the video, another Spigen one, but I did take it off to show you guys how to install this one. So let's start with the screen cleaner. So it's just like a little wet wipe. We're gonna pull this out of here, wipe the screen down, make sure we get all my fingerprints and whatnot off there. So let's get all this ready here. And we'll give the screen a good wipe down. Get all the little fingerprints and smudges and stuff off of here. So it makes it a nice clean install. And actually the wet wipe on here is actually pretty big. And normally when you get these screen protectors and stuff and they give you the cleaning tools, they give you a little tiny square to clean the screen off with. So it's nice to have a nice big wet wipe to clean this with. So give that a good wipe down. Make sure you get all that fingerprint and dust and dirt and all that stuff off of there. And then once you are done doing that, throw that aside. We're gonna take our microfiber cloth here and we're just going to wipe all of that off there, dry everything off. Now you're gonna have some dust after you do this obviously, but we do have the dust stickers to work with, so don't really worry too much if you have dust on it by the time you're done wiping it off. You can just kind of brush it off or blow it off there before the dust stickers. So let's get this nice and dry. Make sure you don't have any wet spots on there when you do put the screen protector on, because that will leave a bubble and it will leave some kind of weird little circles and stuff like that. So make sure you do dry it off very well, and then we will get the dust. I think that should be just about all of it, and we'll just kind of wipe off the remaining there. Make sure I got all that here. There we go. All right, so we got that all dried off. Just trying to get the bulk of the dust off. All right, so we'll wipe all this stuff off here. We will go and grab our dust removal stickers here. So you're just gonna wanna peel this off. And you're just gonna kind of go around the phone and get all that dust off of here. Now it might not be perfect. This dust sticker is pretty big, so you should be all right, but it might not be perfect. Obviously it depends on the room that you're in, if there's movement, fans on, air, anything like that. But but it looks like we are getting most, if not all of it. See how we're looking. Got a little bit there. And I always double check and triple check my screen protectors, or my phones, I mean, when I'm cleaning them off for the screen protector, just to make sure that there, in fact, is no dust on it. I know we all hate those little dust particles that get stuck underneath the screen protector. That can be pretty annoying, and it kind of ruins the experience. I feel like these screen protectors, the full sensor screen protectors, are meant to basically let you use your phone while being protected and not feel like there's a screen protector on it. So I feel like that dust and anything underneath obviously is going to ruin that. Let's see if there's any more dust on it. Doesn't look like it. Everything looks pretty good to me. So I think we are okay. So let's set this down here. I'm always very, very cautious after I do this. Once I get all the dust off, not trying to do all of it a second time. So, all right, so that looks just about right. And then what you're gonna do is, let me move this just a little bit off to the side so I don't get dust on it again. What you're gonna do on the underside of this, you're gonna see a little flap that says back, and it's a little sticky thing here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna peel this off, and that's gonna expose the screen protector right here. Once you peel this off, you're basically just gonna set it right on the phone. I just wanna kinda show you guys what it's gonna look like here. So these rails on the side, obviously your phone fits right in there, and you're gonna see on the front it says top. Obviously you want this pointed towards the top. So you're just gonna peel this back. Always do it when it's kind of flipped down. Obviously you don't want any dust falling on the glass itself. That's gonna defeat the whole purpose of what we just did cleaning off that phone. So when you peel it, flip it upside down, peel it, set it right on top of your phone, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna double check the phone here and make sure there's no dust on it before I do that. And it looks like a little bit did fall on in the process, so let's get that off. All right, we're looking good. That should be all of it. All right, I always do one or two for safe measures just in case. All right, so it looks like we're pretty good there. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to peel back this tab here, and make sure you don't peel everything off there. You just wanna remove this little sticker here. It's fighting me. All right, so we are going to peel this, and then just double check your phone here. Make sure that there's no dust that fell on it. Looks pretty good to me. And then you're just going to set it right on top. And then it says press and slide, wait 30 seconds. So you're just gonna press and slide. I always go back and forth a little bit just to make sure, get everything out of there. So just press it. And then we will wait just a little bit here. Kind of let everything adhere. There we go. All right, so we'll give it a few seconds, kind of let everything adhere there, make sure it's all sticking where it should be. Feels like it's all lined up there, so we should be all right. All right, so then what you're gonna do is remove from here. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna peel the bottom up right here. Let me get all this stuff out of the way real quick for you. Got a little squeegee tool just in case. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel this back, and that is gonna separate this. So make sure you hold the plastic frame down as you're doing this. And you're just gonna peel everything back there. And then you just take it and lift it right up. And then you're gonna have these little plastic things here. You're just gonna pull this back. And then if you do have any bubbles, put that plastic on again real quick. If you do have any bubbles, just use this little squeegee tool, and you're just gonna push them right out of there. And then we'll push the bottom here with my finger. There we go. And you just push that bubble right up out of there. I just put a little force on it. We'll take our little microfiber cloth here, and we're just gonna wipe everything down. Now these screen protectors are really good at, like you guys just saw there, that bubble that was in the middle. I just had to push it up a little bit, did it 2 or 3 times. The bubble came right out perfectly. There's nothing left over or anything like that. Some of these screen protectors, when you get a bubble in the middle, you're done. I mean, you can try to get it off, but good luck to you. Some of them screen protectors are a real pain when it comes to getting those middle bubbles out. These screen protectors are, for whatever reason, really good at that bubble in the middle just pushing right out. So I don't know what Spigen does, but they do a really good job with it. And like I said, this screen protector has been my go-to for my last couple of devices because I was turned on to them. So there we go, man. This is a perfectly installed screen protector. As you can see, right up to the edges. And then on the top there, it is right up to that speaker right there. So it's a full coverage. So let's turn the phone on here. Make sure we don't have any issues with responsiveness. Like I said, I never have, but I'll just show you guys just so you know. So we'll let that power on. Get all that little dust off of there. This is a perfectly installed screen protector. That is right up to it. All right, so let me type in my pin here. Can't have you guys seeing all that. All right, so as you can see, responsiveness, good to go. Opening up apps, coming out, you're all set. So we'll play some music here. We'll open up Apple Music and play a song here real quick. Swiping up, as you can see, this works fine. I'll show you guys the selfie camera. We'll flip that up. Good to go. So there's no problem with selfie quality, anything like that. Responsiveness is perfect. So like I said, man, this screen protector is my go-to now. I'm glad that I was told about these. I actually never looked on Amazon and really paid much attention to them. I just walked into a store or whatever and grabbed one. Let me show you guys that a case works on it real quick as well. So I have this spec grip case for the 14 Pro Max. This will be on the channel shortly. We'll pop this on just so I can show you guys that it does not interfere with anything. So it comes right up to the edges there. It fits perfectly. So I haven't had an issue with any type of cases or anything with this screen protector on this phone or my 13 Pro Max or anything like that. So yeah, man, if you guys want to pick this up, I will leave links down below. You can get them on their website. You can also get it next day, same day, Amazon Prime. Great screen protector. I highly recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell. It really helps the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.